Hello children, welcome back to Maths class. I am your Maths teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th standard Maths 5th lesson. So now tell me dear, what is our 5th lesson name? Very good, our 5th lesson name is multiples and factors. Now today we are going to see multiples related problems. Listen here. Our first topic is write true or false. What is that? Write true or false. Our first question is 49 is a multiple of 7. 49 is a multiple of 7. Here 49 is called the dividend and 7 is called the divisor. So you already know 7 divisor means that is our table. Tell me Kiran, what is the answer? 7 table of 49? Yes, very good. How many times? 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Here you take a 49 and divide it by 7. 49 divided by 7. So while doing the division, in remainder you got 0 means yes, that is true. In remainder you got non-zero number means that is false. So listen here, take a 7 sevens are 49. Now 49 minus 49, the answer will be 0. Here we got 0, so the answer is true. The first statement is true statement, so write true. And our second question, 120 is a multiple of 14. 120 is a multiple of 14. Here we have the dividend value is 120 and then divisor value is 14. So take 120 divided by 14. 120 and then divided by 14. So write the 14 table. 14 zeros are 0, 14 ones are 14. So write here 14 zeros are 0, 14 ones are 14, and what is the answer? 14 twos are? Very good. 14 twos are 28. So write here 14 twos are 28 and 14 threes are. Take 3 and multiply by 4 and 3 and multiply by 1. So 3 fours are, the answer is 12, carry 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. Next take a 14 fours are. So here 4 fours are 16, 6, carry 1, 4 ones are 4 plus 1, the answer is 5. So 14 fours are 56. Next take a 14 fives are. Now what is the answer? Anjali, tell me the answer. 14 fives are? Yes, very good. First you take a 5, multiply by 4, then you take 5 and multiply by 1. So take 5 fours are 20, 0, carry 2, 5 ones are 5, so keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So what is the answer? 5 after 6, 7. Yes, we got 70. Write a 14 fives are 70. Next 14 6 are. 6 fours are 24 to 4, carry 2, 6 ones are 6, so keep a 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 6 after 7, 8. Write the answer 84. Take a 14 sevens are. 7 fours are 28, carry 2, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, the answer is 9. Next take a 14 eights are. 8 fours are 32, 2, carry 3, 8 ones are 8, so keep 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So what is the answer? 8 after 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11, 112. And finally we will take 14 nines are. 14 nines are. 9 fours are 36, 6, carry 3, 9 ones are 9, keep 9 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 9 after 10, 11, 12. Yes, we got the answer 126. 112 and then 126. So we don't have 120. We have 112 and 126. Here you are going to take a smaller number. That smaller number is 112. How many times? Very good. 8 times. 8 14s are 112. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, take the ones place value. We have the ones place values are 0 and then 2. So 0 minus 2 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smaller number, 2 is the greater number. Here you are going to get borrow from the 10th place. We have the 10th place, 2 tens and a 1 tens. So, in this 2 tens, it will change into 1 tens. In this 0 ones, it will change into 10 ones. Now, you should subtract this 10 minus 2. So, what is the answer? 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, the answer is 8. Here we got the non-zero number. So, this is false statement. So, listen here, 120 is a multiples of 14 means this is false. Why? Because we got the answer is, remainder is 8. Okay. So, this is not correct. This is false. Next, 60 is the greatest multiples of 6. So, this is false statement. Listen here. Why? Because we have 6 tens are 60 and then 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72. So, we have more values. This is false statement. And finally, fifth multiples of 9 is 45. In 9 table of 45, yes, 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and 9 fives are 45. Yes, we got the correct answer. This is true statement. 9 fives are 45. Next we have, write the next 4 multiples of. Write the next 4 multiples of 14 table, 19 table and then 11 table. Right. So, listen here. Take 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are. So, what is the answer? 14 twos are 28 and 14 threes are. So, what is the answer? 14 threes are 42. Now, you take a 14 and multiply by 4, multiply by 5, multiply by 6 and multiply by 7. Take 14 fours are. 14 fours are. Next, 4 fours are. What is the answer? 4 fours are. 4 fours are 16. Take 4 fours are 16, 6, carry 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1. The answer is 5. So, the next one answer is 56. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42 and 14 fours are, the answer is 56. Next, take a 14 fives are. Take 14, multiply by 5. Okay. Now, tell me Anjali, what is the answer? 5 fours are? Very good. 5 fours are, the answer is 20. So, write here 0 and carry 2. And 5 ones are 5. Keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So, 5 after 6, 7. The answer is 70. So, 14 fives are, the answer is 70. Next, take a 14 six are. Take 14 multiply by 6. Take a 6 multiply by 4 and 6 multiply by 1. So, what is the answer? 6 fours are? 6 fours are, the answer is 24. 6 fours are 24, 4 carry 2. And then 6 ones are 6, so keep 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8. So, write the answer 84. Here we got the answer is 84, right here 84. And next to take a 14 multiply by 7, right? 14 multiply by 7. Take a 7 and multiply by 4, 7 and multiply by 1. So, what is the answer? 7 fours are? Very good. 7 fours are, the answer is 28. So, write 8 and carry 2. 7 ones are 7. Keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9. So, the answer is 98. The multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84 and finally 98. And next we have 19, 38, 57. This is for your homework. And next we have 11, 22, 33. Here we have the 11 table. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 and 11 threes are 33 and next one 11 fours are 44. And what is the next one? 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77. So, listen my children, in this one you are going to do. And next we have S type question. So S type question means there you are going to do the division. In remainder you get 0 means that is yes. In remainder you get non-zero number means that is no. Listen here, our first question is 144 a multiple of 16? Is 144 a multiple of 16? So take 140. So take 144 and divide it by 16. 144 divided by 16. So 16 table, 16 zeros are 0, 16 ones are likewise, 16 nines are. So take 16 nines are. So what is the answer? 16 nines are. Take 9 multiply by 6 and 9 multiply by 1. So 9 6 are. 9 6 are. The answer is 54. So write here 54, carry 5. 9 ones are 9. Keep 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Now tell me Portika, what is the answer 9 plus 5? Very good. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 144. Yes, we have 16 table 144 9 times. So write here 9 16s are 144. 9 16s are 144. Now 144 minus 144, the answer is 0. What is the answer? The answer is 0. So already I told you, this type question means you are going to do division. In remainder you get 0 means the answer is yes. So write the answer yes. 144 is a multiples of 16. Is a multiples of 144 is a multiples of 16. So listen children, in this session you have learned true or false problem and then continue the multiples and then is type question. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description we have got a study material, question bank and self assessment work. So my dear students, do all the self assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.